Hey there, business students. Today, I'm diving into how marketing research can reduce risk and drive success for businesses. Trust me, understanding this can make a huge difference in your future careers. First up, why is marketing research so crucial? Well, it all boils down to reducing risk. By gathering vital information, marketing managers can get a clearer picture of what consumers want and need. This way, they can translate these insights into effective marketing actions. Marketing research usually follows a 5-step decision-making process. Let's break it down. Step 1. Define the problem. This is where you pinpoint what you need to solve. Step 2. Develop the research plan. Here, you decide how to collect the information you need. Step 3. Collect relevant information. This involves gathering data that's crucial for your research. Step 4. Develop findings from the collected data. This is where you interpret what the data is telling you. And finally, Step 5. Take marketing actions. Based on your findings, you execute strategies to meet consumer needs. Now let's talk about data. There are two main types: secondary and primary. Secondary data is info that's already been recorded before your project starts. Primary data, on the other hand, is collected specifically for your project. Marketing researchers gather data by observing people in various ways. For instance, they might use Nielsen people meters to track TV viewing habits electronically. Or they might use mystery shoppers and ethnographic techniques to observe behavior personally. They also ask questions using questionnaires, use panels to see if behaviors change over time, and conduct experiments to measure the impact of marketing variables. Metrics and analytics are key tools for marketers. Metrics use numerical data to track performance. Analytics involve applying smart thinking and technology to these metrics to gain actionable insights. And then there's sales forecasting. This can be done using the judgment of decision makers, surveys of knowledgeable groups, or statistical methods that extend past data patterns into the future. So, there you have it. Marketing research isn't just about collecting data. It's about reducing risk and making informed decisions that drive success. Keep this in mind as you step into the world of business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you next time. Yo.